Alright, this form, class, is in which form? How did you know that was in standard form? It has the x and the y's on one side, it has the number on the other side. Now, if the problem just tells you, graph this, you should recognize, well, this is in standard form. It helps me find the x and y intercepts very, very quickly. Well, how do you find x and y intercepts? To find an x-intercept, you're going to make y equal 0. To find an x-intercept, you're going to make y equal 0. To find the y-intercept, you're going to make x equal 0. And I'll explain why in a second. So y-intercept, make x equal 0. Let's go ahead and do that. I have my equation here. 4 times 0 minus 5y equals 20. Class, 4 times 0 is? Divide both sides by negative 5. Y is equal to negative 4. With an x value of 0, our y value is negative 4. Let's go ahead now and calculate the x-intercept. To find an x-intercept, I need to make y equal to 0. I take the same equation, and now I'm going to make y 0. 5 times 0, negative 5 times 0 is 0. So I don't have to write it. Divide by 4 on both sides. X is equal to 5. With an x value of 5, my y value is 0. Here is a shortcut. They call this the cover-up method. If your y value is going to become 0 for your x-intercept, all you have to do is just solve for x equals 20. On the y-intercept, if you know this is going to become 0, you're covering it up, and then you're just solving for y. Let's go ahead and graph this. I'll graph it over here. I have the y-intercept of 0, negative 4. Do that in red. My x-intercept, I have 5, 0. So that means right 5, comma 0. And that should make sense. Anything that touches the x-axis will have a y value of 0. Anything that touches the y-axis will have an x value of 0. And that's why I made those patterns there. If you graphed it, and if you wanted to double check on your calculator, you can just change this into y-intercept. So that's a y-intercept of negative 4, and this would be up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
0, 3.